In the sixth class, we saw the topic conversation of the TOEFL text. And in this part 3 of the TOEFL listening exam is presenting include short conversations with short answer. And we can find three questions that the focus of the student's ability to find central ideas and basis detail. For that reason, to have good score, it is better that the person is concentrated and relaxed enough. Also to keep in the mind the topics that are included in the conversation that are about document conversation, restaurant, travel topics, free time activities, and other. An important point is to identify the language paraphrases in the answer options to note certain clues that can be present and to draw conclusion based on detail. And in this class, also we had 3 points. The first point corresponds to question times. This point mainly requires observing the detail and not forgetting the context of what the conversation is based on, and finding the main topic of where it's being talked about. Common question that you normally ask yourself when the moment of making an evaluation is the following: what is the discussion about? What is the problem that is being talked about? Find keywords that can better help them to understand them. And finally, see the response option and find the answer that is more appropriate. And the second point corresponds to detailed question. In this case, as the topic indicates, require listening carefully to key element of conversation because this way the student or person will need to answer questions about information that is not general. Detailed questions are based on tested on the understanding of the persons as well as the information in each conversation. The information can be based on the future problems or something that the speaker wants and even indication. The correct answers for detailed questions are written in different ways, and this is called periphrases. Once of listening to common expressions, we can recognize key information that help us understand, and it is suggestions, requests, or problems. The point number 3 corresponds to the detailed questions about causes and effect. These questions are based on the causes and effect that the question requires when identifying them. As the questions are read, certain aspects will be identified such as one way or another or how an event change a situation. This question presents as why a change occurred or why an action was taken. Um, then we had the second technique. This technique is called prepare and practice. Practice is also the exercise that is performing according to certain rules, and that maybe suggest to the direction of a teacher so that practitioners can improve their performance.